You've probably heard of General Dynamics. This company is situated in more than 70 countries around the world, including Canada, Mexico, Spain, Switzerland, and the United Kingdom. The company's subsidiary in jet aviation has 26 airport facilities throughout Europe and operates more than 200 aircraft. Today, we will see how big the General Dynamics company is. But before we get started, please follow and subscribe to us. General Dynamics Corporation is a global aerospace and defense corporation. It was the 5th largest defense contractor in the United States and the 6th largest in the world by sales as of 2019. Its headquarters are located in Reston, Fairfax, United States. And Phoebe Novakovic is the CEO. In 2020, General Dynamics had a revenue of $37.9 billion. They have around 104,000 people working in General Dynamics worldwide. General Dynamics provides services that include artificial intelligence charter services, command and control cybersecurity, and fixed base operator intelligence systems. The company was founded by John Philip Holland on February 21, 1952. The original company was the Electric Boat Company, founded in 1899, and it built the first submarine named the Holland, and that was purchased by the US Navy in 1900. In order to bid on naval projects successfully, General Dynamics partnered with Northrop Grumman and would go on to manufacture a customized version for an aircraft carrier in 1960. Then the company made F-111 in December 1964. In May 1965, General Dynamics reorganized into 12 operating divisions that were based on product lines. General Dynamics brought Computing Devices Limited, based in Hastings, England, in 1997, and had developed mission systems and avionics for the Panavia Tornado, British Aerospace Harrier II, and Hawker Siddeley Nimrod. In 2014, the Government of Canada had selected the General Dynamics Land Systems subsidiary in London, Ontario, to produce light armoured vehicles for Saudi Arabia for $10 billion. General Dynamics acquired information technology services giant CSRA for $9.7 billion and merged it with GDIT in 2018. Did you know? In September 2018, General Dynamics Bath Iron Work received contracts for 10 new Arleigh Burke-class destroyers from the US Navy. General Dynamics has been associated with various subsidiary companies that include Gulfstream Aerospace, Vangent, Bath Iron Works, National Steel and Shipbuilding Company, also known as NASSCO, and more. General Dynamics Aerospace Group operates in the fields of Gulfstream Aerospace Corporation and jet aviation. Gulfstream manufactured the world's most technologically advanced business aircraft, including the G280, G550 and G600. It has produced more than 2,800 aircraft for the customer. You may be amazed to know that jet aviation has been enabling global flight since 1967. General Dynamic Marine System Group design, build and repair complex ships. NASSCO has designed and constructed auxiliary and support ships, oil tankers and dry cargo carriers. In 2001, NASSCO got the largest contract of $3.7 billion to build the Lewis and Clark class dry cargo ship, a 14-ship program. General Dynamics also serves in combat systems and is a global leader in designing, manufacturing, and has some of the world's best performing land combat machines. It also manufactured M2 machine guns, as well as the Mark 19 grenade launchers, which have a firing range of 2,212 meters. They also built the GAU-19B 50 caliber Gatling gun that has a fire rate of 1,300 rounds per minute. The company manufactured 4,600 units, and that became one of its largest and most successful programs, and was one of the most successful Western military projects of World War II. General Dynamics manufactures hundreds of products that include Gulfstream business jets, Abrams tanks, Stryker fighting vehicles, and Ascod fighting vehicles. Do you know? On December 26, 2020, General Dynamics Land Systems gained a $4.6 billion contract from the US Army to build M1A2 SEPV3 Abrams main battle tanks. That's all for today. I hope you like this information. For more interesting videos, follow and subscribe now, and make sure to share it. Stay connected, be updated.